The mass of the Sun is about 99.86% of the entire mass of the Solar System. The Sun is responsible for life on Earth. But, what would happen if the Sun suddenly disappeared? Firstly, if the Sun disappeared right now, we would still see it in the sky for about 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Because sunlight takes same time to reach the Earth. Within 2 seconds, Moon reflecting the Sun's rays would also go dark. All planets would also disappear one by one as the wave of darkness reaches them. Only distant stars would be visible with the naked eye in the sky. The gravitational force would also take exactly same time to disappear. That is because Einstein's theory of relativity proves that the force of gravity actually travels at the same rate as light. So, our planet would continue orbiting the Sun's empty space for about 8 minutes and 20 seconds. One by one, all the planets would travel in a straight line through space. The Earth would travel at about 30 kilometers per second. Without Sun, photosynthesis would stop immediately. Small plants would die soon and some trees could probably last a few decades due to their slow metabolism and large sugar storage capacities. The current supply of oxygen is enough to last 1,000 years or so. Within a week, the temperatures would fall to 0 degrees Celsius. Within a year, the temperatures would fall to -100 degrees Celsius. The temperature would keep dropping and stabilize at -240 degrees Celsius. The ocean surfaces would freeze, thick layer of ice would provide insulation. The deeper ocean would remain liquid for thousands of years. Most species on the planet would be wiped out. This would be the greatest extinction event in the history of the Earth. Most of the human population would not survive. Only some organisms on ocean floor could survive due to geothermal energy. Even without Sun, these life forms would survive for billions of years. In fact, this is exactly the kind of life system that astronomers believe could exist on icy moons in the outer solar system. Few humans who survive would need to migrate closer to the center of the Earth. After about 1,000 years, the atmosphere would also freeze and fall to the surface, opening Earth up to the harmful rays of the cosmos and most probably meteor impacts. The Earth will be a solid, frozen chunk of rock floating through space. This is almost impossible that the Sun would suddenly disappear, so we don't need to worry about it.